Skyscrapers around the world serve as structural forms of amazement, thanks not to just their visual beauty, but also their equally impressive capabilities. Check out 10 stunning futuristic skyscraper concepts that gained recognition at the 2014 eVolo Skyscraper competition. Number 10. Winning first place in the contest is Vernacular Versatility, the brainchild of Young-Ju Lee. It's designed to embrace traditional Korean residential architecture with a modern twist. The edge of the roof is curved to control sunlight, and the structural elements are adapted to high-rise structures. Number 9. The carbon dioxide structure, aka the Propagate Skyscraper, is a work of art. Basically, the building grows itself, as a vertical grid scaffold is used for the frame, while weather, wind, and carbon dioxide are utilized to help the bare elements transform into a solid construction material. Number 8. The solar-powered 3D printed tower known as Sandbabel. Envisioned as a research facility and comprised of numerous skeletal tornado-like buildings in the desert, the main section of each structure is built with sand that has been sintered through a solar-powered 3D printer. The second portion of the buildings is situated partially underground and connects the structures via tubes. Number 7. The Climatology Tower. It appears to replicate a tree stashed in an egg-shaped dome. The function of the structure is to serve as a research center for urban meteorology that uses mechanical engineering to correct city environments. Number 6. The Launch Spire is another cool entry, made to look like a rocket. Perfectly described as a cylindrical matrix of super tall structure, the goal of the Launch Spire is to improve the future of aviation by eliminating aircraft's dependency on hydrocarbon fuels during takeoff. Number 5. The Hyperspeed Vertical Train Hub is geared towards the transport generation. The designers propose that it will help reduce CO2 emissions and change the world of international trading. The building will work with a hyperspeed under- and overground network, complete with trains that can travel 300 miles in half an hour. Number 4. The visually appealing Rainforest Guardian Skyscraper is certainly a beauty. It's comprised of a forest fire station, a weather station, water tower, along with scientific and educational labs. The structure can help to prevent forest fires by capturing, filtering, and storing rainwater. Number 3. The new Tower of Babel is comprised of steel. Meant to be built on desert ground, the top panels are made of glass, which helps the interior air warm from the sunlight. That air is then sucked into a chimney tower where wind turbines take over and help convert kinetic energy into electrical power. Number 2. Project Blue is created to tackle the pollution problem in China. The structure is essentially a cooling tower that transforms suspended particles in the air into green energy. Number 1. The Urban Alloy Tower. The tower takes advantage of existing transportation infrastructures in New York City to create an innovative residential structure that will draw energy out of Manhattan and pull it to the 4 other boroughs without interfering with existing land use. The designers commented, "We aim to optimize a heterogeneous and highly linked set of living environments capturing the air rights above these systems."